buckling up just to be safe. He's pulling me already. I took my eye off the trail, fucking with a camera.
Joe, you unhook the cable? You want to get pulled back farther?
I definitely want to get pulled back farther. I feel like I'm sliding that way. Or should I go off a tree up here?
It's yours?
Yeah.
Actually, just unhook him for a minute.
Yeah.
Turn hard passenger. Just, well, unhook for a second.
You need to back up.
Low.
Yeah.
Hard as passenger as you can, just creep. Nice and easy. 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 Keep coming. Keep coming.
No, I'm starting to.
It is, but it's pulling. Just keep going real gentle. Gentle. Gentle.
No, she's pulling that way.
Once you get right where you were, it's going to rock up over. Just go easy. Have faith in it. I wouldn't fuck you up.
I just know what it feels like.
Well, I know
It's
what
just-
it feels like, but I'm watching you. I know it is. I'm watching it. He's still hooked over here, though. Easy. There's a little stick right here you got to have.
No,
There you go.
no.
You passed it.
It's too soft over here on the left.
Now you're past the stick. You're coming up. Trust me.
Sorry about the hard throttle, but I felt it going, so I just
I'm glad I yelled when I did.
Yeah, split second is all I took my eye off for. That was Harry.
I'm glad I yelled when I did.
Yeah, thanks. Usually it irritates me when you yell like that.
I know, but I'm like, he's not, I don't, fuck this. Oh, I'm in tears right now. Even seatbelted, I didn't want to go down over
So
that.
hey, anyways, in case you ain't figured it out yet, I almost went off that cliff I was trying to film for everybody. We won't be doing that again.
No.
Not anytime soon. I took my eye off the trail just for a second. That was it, just to look down at the camera.
Normally he gets upset if I yell too soon, like he knows what he's doing. I'm glad I yelled.
Alright, so let me see the camera again. It's still recording, so just to give you an idea.